Hey everyone, welcome to the Phase 1 Trading Channel. This is Steven. It's July 19th, 2020, and I'm checking out Sunworks Incorporated, or ticker SUNW today, because it hit my moving average crossover scanner last week, and I see a potential swing trade opportunity, so let's dive right into the details. Now, SUNW is a solar-powered systems provider headquartered in Roseville, California. The company seems to just be treading water currently, looking at their revenue reported in the first quarter of 2020. They also executed a 1-for-7 reverse split on August 29, 2019, to reach NASDAQ compliance of holding the shares over $1. Keep this in mind while we look at the chart in a moment. The outstanding share count is around 16.5 million shares right now, with 200 million shares authorized. Note that the share count had dropped to around 4.6 million when the reverse split occurred last August. Although 16.5 million is not a very big number, the company has been actively diluting shares in the interim. Let's take a look at the chart and see why this stock has my attention going into next week. I'm using TradingView as my platform and using the weekly view right now. Right away, we can see volume has been ramping up in the last few weeks for SUNW, so it has been gaining trading interest and momentum. I'm going to turn on my moving average levels with the 3 EMA in green, 8 EMA in blue, and 20 MA in yellow. You can see the clear crossover that occurred on the week of June 15th. Let's go back in time and investigate how this type of crossover has played out in the past. The week of February 4th, 2019 was the last time this type of crossover occurred on the weekly chart, and the stock jumped from around $2.80 to $13.79. Going back further, you can see this crossover setup has signaled fairly consistent pops in the stock price. Because this crossover represents a longer-term positive shift in momentum, SUNW might just be exiting its accumulation phase and entering into its next markup phase. What's interesting is this stock has recovered from sub-dollar levels and reached over $1 twice in the last 3 weeks. I'm looking for a break and a successful test over $1 as extra confirmation that this stock is in a bullish trend. Switching to the daily view, you can see the stock is riding the 20 MA. I'd like to grab some shares on the way up, but not at a premium, so I'm using the last few recent lows at 70 cents and also the 20 MA or yellow line here as a ballpark entry point. I'm thinking somewhere between 70 to 79 cents for my first entry, so I have an alert set for anything crossing below 80 cents this week. This, of course, assumes the stock pulls back. If it takes off, I'll wait to see a successful bounce off of $1 before considering an entry. And remember, the stock needs to stay over $1 to maintain NASDAQ compliance. We saw volume ramp up on Friday to 12 million shares traded, so I'll be interested to see if it carries into Monday morning. One last observation. Check these yellow lines out. There's a significant gap above the current price action from $2.29 to $3.10. SUNW has a long way to go to get to these levels, but if they post positive news or beat their earnings projections in early August, this stock might be in the right technical position for accelerated growth. I hope this video helped you gain some insight into SUNW. Please leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to the Phase 1 Trading Channel so you can get notified when we publish new reviews. Best of luck to you, and thanks for watching.